Welcome to CAD Engineer. It's a gear housing on which we are going to do natural frequency simulation. So where we are going to calculate the first three frequency how the model is behaving. So we have said that we want to calculate three modes of frequencies, and we have taken here aluminum alloy, wrought material 6061T6. Gravity is acting on the model, and we have give the fixed support on all that back holes here. And then we have defined a point load, basically mass of 10 kg, not 100 kg, 10 kg at that particular remote mass we have applied here. And we have applied a remote mass at the front face of 10 kg. Let's check by simulating it. We'll run the simulation. Now we're going to calculate it. We just click on the solve button, and here we can see the frequency result. Now here we can see, due to that frequency, how the deformation is happening. We can check the deformation, and we can also play the animation, and we can see that how the model will be behaving and that frequency, under that frequency. Okay, and we can see all the magnitude in x directions, y directions, z directions. We can check. So here we can check the mode 2 due to second frequency, how the model is behaving, and mode 3. So we can see the frequencies value. First frequency value we have mode 1 160, and we can see the deformation is on that frequency displacement. Second frequency is 223, we can see the deformation on that. And frequency number 366. So this is how we have calculated three mode of frequency, and we have checked the behavior of the model, how the model is behaving under that three frequencies. You can stop the animation from here, and you don't want to see the deformation, you can remove this. You can see normal view also. Thank you for watching this video.